Did you know that each organ has its own healing power? For thousands of years, Daoist masters have used sound vibration to cleanse and strengthen the body's internal organs. The 6 healing sounds are a powerful practice that helps release emotional blockages, detoxify the body, and restore inner balance. Take the liver, for example. The liver is the source of vitality and courage. But when its qi becomes stagnant, it can lead to frustration, irritability, and fatigue. In traditional Qigong, we use the sound shi, like she and he, in various ways, vocalized, whispered, or silently mouthed, to release tension and restore the liver's natural flow of energy. We produce the sound, it creates a gentle vibration that resonates through the liver, gallbladder, and even the eyes. This practice not only supports liver detoxification, but also enhances mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical resilience. By incorporating the 6 healing sounds into your practice, you can harmonize your internal energy, release stored emotions, and bring your body back into